Good morning, everyone. Today is New Year's Day here in Canada, and I will make pineapple upside down cake. Just gonna take it into my cousin's house, Susie. They invited me for New Year's dinner, and these are all the ingredients: flour, margarine, or you can use butter, and pineapple slices, white sugar, pineapple juice, 1 egg, vanilla, and another margarine, brown sugar, baking powder, and salt. First thing I'm gonna do is just cream the one-third cup of margarine and 1/3 cup of white sugar. And then add 1 egg. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla. This is 1¼ cup of all-purpose flour. We'll add here the 2 teaspoon baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix it up. Mix this alternately with the pineapple juice. And set this aside and melt this margarine, 3 tablespoons of margarine. The last but not the least is the pineapple slice. One more in the middle. Have to squeeze them in there. And then we'll add this glaze mixed. It says here rutabaga, papaya, orange peel, cherries, pineapple, lemon peel, citron peel. That's what it's in here. And I will add this over there. My cake is ready after 45 minutes, and I have to take it out from the pan or transfer it into a dish. Here they are. My cake is looking very yummy. It's gonna be very good. I'll take this cake for New Year's dinner. And see you later. Thank you for watching my video, guys. I'm just gonna uh, wish everybody a happy new year, especially to my subscribers and to all viewers that's been watching my videos. Thank you very much. Here I am at my cousin's house, Susie and Lionel, her husband. We're having dinner. She got here is ribs.
Spare ribs, barbecued spare ribs.
Show that fancy drink.
And we
Yeah.
have the cream carrots.
carrots and
potato salad,
potato salad
Pierogi.
and pierogi,
and pierogi.
and our Shirley temple.
And we have Shirley Temple for our drinks. I think we're gonna eat and see you guys later. Susie is making another Shirley Temple for Lionel because it tastes good. Susie is starting to cut the pineapple upside down cake for our dessert. I think they really enjoy my pineapple upside down cake. I'm just doing the voiceover because there was audio when having dinner. Cheers to the new year.